Hi, everyone. Yesterday in staff, we talked about using the three words to create an aha moment for our customers or to better, more successfully communicate what we do. And communication is all about mental mapping or schema. We all have schema. Schema is the lens of light that we see life through. It's all of our past experiences that shape how we see things, and mental mapping is how all of our sensory perceptions map the way through our schema so it finally gets to our brain and we make sense of it. The trick here is to use two words and a relational word. If we want to make it influence the way people see us, we can do this with two words and a relational word. It's all about the other person making the connection. So we have to be other centered or think from their perspective. Using the three-word system is helping people craft an aha moment for what we do. People are already thinking about what we do when we first engage with them. They're two steps ahead of us, actually, when they're thinking about what we do because of all their schema and their mental mapping. They already have a preconceived notion once we begin talking. So if we can use this three-word system to help influence where that goes or where their two steps ahead are and their thoughts about us, that's a big deal. So if you'd like to be a part of this, it may work, may not work. I don't know. I'm going to put a document in our Google Drive so we can just play with some different ideas. And how to do it is think of two things that we do. Thing one, thing two. Put a relational word in between. So we're going to link thing one and thing two with that relational word. So here's a bad example. We facilitate learning and we connect people. We do that with our course design, with the training we do, with the technology that we use. So something coming from that could be connecting to learn, connect to learn. That's a bad example. I'm certain that everybody else has much better ideas. And if we come to a collective thought, it would be pretty spectacular. It's all about creating simplicity, keeping things simple. And when we are able to create something simple, it has that major effect and connection with that person that we're on the other side that's receiving this bit of information. But simplicity is hard. That's why it takes a brain trust to try to figure it out, because simplicity is difficult. So we're just trying to influence the way people perceive us. So we are taking an attempt to influence that perception. Like impossible is nothing. Adidas, that's what Adidas uses to help influence the way we think about them. It's give them a feeling, is to make that emotional connection, because that is where the schema and everything else leads.